Before we start, tomorrow is going to be the first time that Freddy is going to be racing, and I guess Dexter with us, right? And Yan. So our objective tomorrow is how can we take home a really good experience. Good news, there's no yellow jersey this year, so we can really focus on all you guys, okay? So the only idea that we have to do is, and Freddy, you've never experienced this, I want to show you that racing can be beautiful. It's not all about raw power. We can never beat the seasoned riders based on wattage. Remember that. We will never beat them. Those guys are super strong. The only way we can outwit them is consistency of pacing. Yeah, we can never beat them on top speed, sprinting, jumping out. The only way we can maybe level with them is consistency of pacing. We don't care how fast they are, we just keep the speed. Number two, and David, you have to remember this, and Jan, try as much as possible to just follow my wheel and Tom, and we will be guiding you to the front. You don't have to think anymore. The more that you think, the more that you stay at the back, the more stressful it becomes, and that's the cause of crashes. Okay? So this is theoretical. Tomorrow, we're gonna find out if it's true. Your job, I'll take care of you. You stay with Tom. Okay? That's all we gotta do. Big wing, small cog, we're gonna find out if it works today. And the idea is we stay safe. Whatever happens after the race is a big bonus. Yeah? Okay, doggy? There you go. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Sunday is always a big day. Everyone is ready, fired up, nervous. Everyone's downstairs. So we head up to the race start as early as 6 a.m. in the morning, just to make sure that we get there on time.
So ladies and gentlemen, as we gear up to flag off our 70-kilometer ride, it's time to welcome our distinguished co-sponsors to join us for the photo op first. Welcoming Ms. Melissa Sandu from Prince Court Medical Center, Mr. Simon Tan from Burkina International Hotel, Mr. Osman Shah Mastur from Pulse Malaysia, Dr. Shair Anwar from Propane and Gruppetto, Mr. Khairul Akmal Khairul from Shimano, and Mr. Kishan Rajli from Goa.
Okay, we're gonna do this.
Here we go.
Morning, sir.
Hi. What's your name? Badru. B-A-D-R-U. There you go.
Alright, this is a small announcement, friendly announcement. Alright, this is 70 kilometers, so ride safe. Alright, there is no need to break any speed records. Alright, as long as you're having a fun ride today, this morning. We'll be having a countdown of 10 now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Off we go!
race starts are always the most nervous part of any event. And this is where a lot of accidents usually happen. So we just have to stay calm and bring people together.
Perfect for you, man. Double face line, huh?
Neutral starts help calm down everyone, especially for the newbies who are first time into racing, and is a very good rule imposed by the organizers. This is where you can get your nerves together and start warming up. So this is going to be a very long neutral start. I think it's gonna take us on the 5 or 6 kilometer mark, but after that everything's just gonna go super ballistic.
Yeah, good. See you. Dude, I had the legs. Shit, my bad. I didn't know. We just finished our race.
Didn't crash.
Really? Okay. 1, 2, one more. Awesome, boys. You guys are from where? Oh, okay. Just here, huh?
Our friend, the ECCC.
ECC. Okay. So proud. I finished first honor in my school. This is my classmate in kindergarten. 1, 2, 3. Some guys. Look at that guy. He's our sprinter.
Oh, strong one.
Hey, Richard, we finished. So these are some of our friends from
Singapore.
Singapore.
The man, the
Oh
legend.
yeah.
The man,
Okay,
the
1,
legend.
2, 3. Our friends just keep on arriving. 1, 2, 3. One more. Thank you, man. Proud of you, Freddy. You did it all the way, huh? My boys are done. Perfect. Done and dusted. Freddy, how was that?
It's a good experience.
It's like pro, huh?
Yeah, it's a very good experience.
What's the difference? What's the difference? Tell me. Tell us.
The difference is that actually with the script, you actually can ride safer, and you actually know how to bring us to the front. and
With
go.
no effort.
Yeah. So the next one I want to do is gear up my fitness because
Now you know how it
yeah,
works.
Because I think at least with this, I know where's my fitness are. I can improve further. That's a very good experience. Thanks, coach.
Hey, you're welcome. You're welcome. So that's all, folks. That's the story of Freddy, David, and of course, sir. Let's take a video together. There was one moment when me and Mr. Hulk Hogan over here, we had a showdown. but after the race, everyone's all good, right?
Yes,
all friends.
all friends, mate.
Just at the heat of the moment. But look at the legs.
No, man.
Solid. Tom, did you see him?
Yeah,
Like,
so
solid guy, right?
he was in my shadow. He's like, man, that guy can pull. He never pulled though.
But these guys are amazing. One more. 1, 2, 3. Hey, go behind us. He's another guy.
Strong, man.
Super strong. 1,
No, man.
2, 3. Okay. That's what I like about cycling.
Yeah.
Everyone's friends.
Yeah. Not good.
Hey! Good
Later
stuff.
put in YouTube, ah.
Yes! Should I put it on YouTube or you escape from your wife? Yeah. So she knows you're here. Okay. I'm gonna post it.
De handlebar was too wide, maar ik dacht
Look at Freddy. He's so happy. Couldn't believe that he was racing in front. Okay, come on. Thank you. Freddy! Best experience ever, huh? Don't you feel like a kid again?
Huh?
Like a kid, right?
He's like 13 years old.
Amazing.
More to trade.
Very good, man. Omar, huh? That was super awesome. Boys, I'm proud of you. I think you guys stuck to the plan. Yeah? And I think the video will not lie. Please watch my videos. Hello guys, welcome to my vlogs. Okay, bye.
Huh?
What did you do? You learn anything?
Yeah, your pacing, you know, your gearing, all this, your position, especially your position on climbing.
Really?
Yes, the best part on climbing.
There you go. So these are our friends from
Malaysia.
I love Malaysia, man. I think we're gonna come back here, right?
Oh, 100%.
These guys are amazing. It's like being in the Philippines all over again in Tak. They're just so friendly.
Yeah.
But I think, you know what I like about cycling is that there's a time to share knowledge.
yes.
And it's all about community building first before
of course.
podium. Podium people forget, but friendship, I think it stays.
Yeah, no more friends, sharing experience.
And I don't even know his name, but the common thing behind us is bicycle.
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
He's trying to like put you in the peloton, then I thought, alright, let him come in.
You did well, Freddy. I'm proud of you, man. Super proud.
Whose bike is that one? Is that your bike?
Which one?
This one here? Yeah.
That's Richard's.
Richard, what's the chainring on that one? That looks like big, man. Is that 56 or something? Or
Yeah.
whoa, look at these bloody chainrings. Whoa, who did that one? Is your one?
Yes, sir.
Wow. What's the size on that?
58.
58.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Because we're lazy pedaling. We just want to do 50 RPM.
Bloody hell, look at the size. That's like a dinner plate.
Yeah, we call it the pizza plate.
Pizza plate, yeah?
Dinner is
Okay, I need to make a video of this, man. Bloody hell, because these are some.
Dude, you're amazing, huh? Okay.
no idea what's going on. Anyways.
For a new guy, he was doing really well to keep up,
Yeah.
like the top 5 or top 10. You're the first when you started, you're top 5.
And 2 months ago, he was obese. Like,
No way. How can you ride like this within 2 months?
yeah.
That's incredible, man.
Yeah.
That's incredible performance.
We tried. We
I've
tried
been
to help
cycling
him
for
out.
like almost 3 years. Yeah, I could see him helping you. You have to thank this man here.
Thank you, sir.
This man's been like. I see him go at the peloton. I see he go at the peloton, pick you up and pull you back in, and he pushed me out. I'm like, whoa. But then I'm thinking, okay. Then I realized what he's trying to do. It's not intentional. Then I thought, oh, let him. He's helping his friend. I realized the same top. So I thought, okay. Obviously, you have to analyze the riders.
Yes.
What they're doing.
Yes.
So we can't speak.
Yes.
We're not talking to each other. Body
Right.
language. you're reading
Body language. Body language.
So yeah, very good. Well done, Nicky. You deserve this.
Yeah. Deserving, huh?
Yep. you
The story of Freddie, the story of Richard, David. Hey, the Specialized Boys.
Specialized boys. Okay, guys, I need to show you these chainring. Okay, so what's the size on this chainring?
58, sir.
58. Bloody hell. This guy top 5, riding top 5. There's no 50, no 52 there. 54 plus. Here's this whole section. Where you guys from?
Philippines.
Philippines, all the way from Philippines.
Them, they're from Singapore.
Singapore and Philippines. Nice.
So these are our friends from
Malaysia.
From Malaysia. So you watch my videos?
Yes.
Holy macaroni. Holy macaroni. One more. 1, 2, 3. So we got some friends from Malaysia. I like Malaysians because they like Filipinos. Everyone's friendly. Yeah, you're friendly, right? She's friendly. One more. 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much. Please send my regards to everyone.
Okay.
Okay, thanks, Dak. White, man. White is away. 1, 2. White guy. Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Send my regards to everyone. Okay? But thanks for supporting our content. Our controversial content. Want to say that? Sir, here in Malaysia, looking for work. So far, we haven't found an agency yet. 1, 2, 3. The First Lady of Singapore. Okay, 1, 2. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you're gonna have your certification soon.
Thank you so much.
Okay, relax. So you guys are going home to Kuala Lumpur?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna be staying in KL till Tuesday. Yeah, if you're available, let's ride together. Huh?
You can do city ride on Monday morning.
City ride, cafe ride.
Yeah.
What's APIM?
Active Pinoy is in Malaysia. Cycling club.
Active Pinoys in Malaysia. That's the